Convertible cars are perfect for sunny weather and driving in hotter climates. They offer the ideal combination of style, driving satisfaction, and luxury. The open-top experience is unrivaled, so there is no better way to enjoy summer than in a convertible. As vehicles are replaced by SUVs, there are fewer convertibles available for purchase, but there are still many fantastic options available. We've selected the 5 fastest BMW convertibles. Number 1. BMW M8 Convertible. The BMW M8 Convertible is a powerful sports car with an illuminated kidney grille and advanced technology, providing high-precision handling and a luxurious driving experience. It features an M-twin power turbo 8-cylinder petrol engine with 625 horsepower and is designed for extreme loads on the racetrack. The BMW Live Cockpit Professional offers driver-centric controls, a 10.25-inch touchscreen display, and a digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster. The instrument cluster displays additional information for sporty driving, such as boost pressure, tire pressure, and acceleration. The refreshed front fascia showcases the dynamic lines of the vehicle, with the kidney grille and exterior mirrors finished in black high gloss or carbon fiber reinforced plastic, or CFRP for lighter options. The elegant interior exudes bespoke luxury and comfort, with handmade glass elements and fine crystal details. The multi-adjustable M Sport seats provide excellent lateral support and individual backrest width, with an illuminated M logo highlighting the vehicle's athletic capabilities. The BMW M8 convertible price is €130,000. Number 2. BMW M4 Convertible. The BMW M4 Convertible is a sporty and refined convertible that combines power and aesthetic design with M sportiness. The M4 Convertible with MX Drive impresses with its 510 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. It sports an inline 6-cylinder, high-performance BMW M-twin power turbo engine, an 8-speed and Steptronic with drive logic, and MX Drive with active M differential, all of which work in concert to provide a dynamic driving characteristics for both on the street and on the racetrack. The M-specific instrument cluster and heads-up display provide maximum clarity, while features like the M setup, red start-stop button, and center console offer additional motor racing flair. The BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant provides intelligent driver assistance systems for driving and parking. Prices for the new BMW M4 currently range from €90,000 to €104,000. The M-Carbon steering wheel and M-Carbon bucket seats combine the racing character of a bucket seat with M-Seat functionality. Apple CarPlay preparation allows wireless connectivity to the BMW, allowing users to access their content through the central information display, instrument cluster, and optional heads-up display. Number 3. BMW Z4 Roadster. There are no restrictions on driving enjoyment in the BMW Z4, especially when the roof opens. A roadster that is open, sporty, and uncompromising is the best there is. Its one and only goal is freedom between the road and the wide sky, and it achieves this goal with strong driving dynamics and cutting-edge design. For the majority of people, the base 4-cylinder BMW Z430i Roadster's 0-100 time of 5.4 seconds will be more than adequate. Despite only having rear-wheel drive, the Z4's M40i engine has much more power and accelerates to 100 km an hour in 4.5 seconds. The maximum speed for both engines is 250 km an hour. The BMW Z4 Roadster's exterior and interior styling transmit a laid-back sportiness and distinctive look. The sleek top, the M Shadow line components, and the BMW kidney grille in mesh form are all striking aspects of the dynamic appearance. With optional features like the M Sport seats or ambient lighting, the interior completes the overall design idea. It costs between €48,200 and €59,600. Number 4. BMW M440i Convertible. This high-performance convertible, which is exceptional in every way, has been upgraded with the BMW M engineering and styling that will turn heads. Featuring a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine and 382 horsepower, the sporty M440i convertible is propelled. As a result, it has decent performance and is a fast automobile. It goes from 0 to 100 km an hour in about 4.7 seconds, with a top speed of 250 km an hour. The luxurious interior of the vehicle offers ample space, even for the back seats, despite being a 2-door car. The trunk is also large enough for storing luggage and suitcases. Modern technology gives the car its own personality and character, offering a unique driving experience. The classy convertible is ideal for weekend excursions, but may also be utilized as a daily luxury vehicle. The BMW M440i convertible price is €62,108. Number 5. BMW i8 Roadster. The BMW i8 Roadster is a convertible version of the futuristic i8 Coupe. It packs supercar-like performance into an eye-catching package that's sure to attract even more attention at the local petrol station than the likes of a Honda NSX and Audi R8 Spider. Not that you'll need to refuel the i8 Roadster very often. It is a hybrid after all. You can drive on electric power alone for about 30 kilometers after fully charging its batteries. When the batteries have run out, put your foot down to accelerate hard, and the 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine starts up instantly to lend a hand. Together, they produce 374 horsepower, enough to sprint the i8 Roadster from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.6 seconds, and onto a 250 kilometer an hour limited top speed. Its price is €150,000. The i8 Roadster isn't geared for comfort, but it occupies an unusual space between the comfortable long-distance GT car and a supercar, so it's more comfortable than you'd expect. The interior features supportive seats that aren't too firm, while the ride itself is also pleasant. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. We will be back with more thrilling videos soon. Stay charged.